3, 2, 1.
Oh, that tastes so good. Okay, so I made the beef, coriander, garlic, dumplings with the gyoza sauce. On the table, we have dumplings. Ooh, handcrafted dumplings. Handcrafted? Handcrafted. Legit.
Oh, right.
Sorry,
that is beautiful.
What's this green thing? That's just garnish. Don't eat it. Alright. Yeah, when I'm told they're Moorish, you just want more. You just can't stop yourself.
Is this just classic soy sauce, is it? Oh, gyoza sauce.
Five to kick it off.
Yeah,
I'm going 4. And reason being, taking into consideration it is cold. That's it.
Yeah.
Flavors there, the sauce is mint with and without. Other than that, he's winning.
Alright, I'm gonna have to go with a 4 as well.
Holy shit.
It was delicious. I got to see him make it in person.
Yes.
So it is handmade. Unfortunately, it's cold. That's probably what's stopping it from a 5.
Yeah.
I wouldn't feed my dog this shit. But I'm more serious, mate. We'll keep it at a 3. Pretty generous marks, and I guess the proof was in the pudding. There's none left. But yeah, we'll see. Looks like we got some strong competition coming out. It turned out well, had a good taste. Feeling good about it, feeling great. If I get scummed here, it's because someone holds hatred towards me, or they're racist. It's one of those two. If I get a low score from someone, it's probably racism.
Safety.
For you, big man.
Oh, thank you, sir.
And
even a cheese. Why do we have to undo it?
Yeah. What, where's the fork? Where's my cutlery? How am I supposed to eat this?
just an honest man, just trying to feed my kids.
At $20, because the rest you spent on the box.
That's right, 20
Is
bucks.
that a hint of coconut I taste?
That's right. Straight from the islands.
Yeah, mate.
I wish it came with a spoon though. I want to give it a 3.
Hey! And this Fano doesn't feed this. 4.
Oh,
4.
you're getting a 5 from me, mate.
4.
Portion was very small. The cheese was random. It was random.
Side dish, you ever heard of it, mate?
Not a good side dish.
Just
not a
the
good
main.
side dish.
You're just the main kind of guy.
I'm gonna go for a solid but fair 3.
Ooh. I'm getting my ones.
Nice.
Racism! Absolute dog shit racism! That big motherfucker! What do you mean not enough? Oh, fuck, I didn't know I was trying to cook a meal for everyone! It's a taster! A fucking taster! A meal! Oh my god, you son of a... You mother... Good god. Pam, you raised an ugly son, alright?
Alright, how's it going? I am Lenny here from the Mahi Dogs. Today I'm doing a little special of mine. It's a cheeseburger. I've gone for the nice high quality ingredients. I presented a cheeseburger. Ooh.
Oh, thank
Nice. I should have heated it before.
you. Did you bring your onions?
No, they're barbecue.
Oh.
Burnt the bun.
I actually like the flavour of the pig.
Barbecue too.
Alright, I'm judging up between these two.
Together.
Reason why Fucking delivery service was shocking. 5 minutes to get this burger here. Too much bun for my liking. Or I could hear the cow still moving. You went through a lot of effort to put this video together today.
So it's a 5.
It's a 1. After this, I'm actually quite disappointed in you. You didn't put your best foot forward. No, it'll be a 2 for
On the patty side, cousin's mooing. But in saying that,
to be honest, I didn't expect my patty to be raw in the middle. I thought it was perfect. Also, Tapia's always against me, so it doesn't matter how good I do, he's always going to give me low rates, so I wouldn't listen to anything he says.
hey guys, it's Jamaz, aka Jamazio, Gio, the new pup in town here from the Mahi Dogs. Tonight I made butter chicken, normal butter chicken with rice and cream.
Mahi Dogs, thank you very much.
Oh, this looks pretty good. This actually looks like dinner for tonight.
Yeah. $20 goes a long way with this guy.
Yeah.
Rice?
There's an ant on mine.
They must have just done it on there now.
Is it actually?
Yeah, there's a lot. Probably just from that table. You know where you're going, mate. I don't even have to taste it tonight. He gave you a 4. He gave everyone a 4. Serving's too big for me, I must say, I've never had a homemade butter chicken that actually tasted like butter chicken.
Good colour, I guess. I don't know. But it tasted good.
What the fuck are you on about?
You know, like the pro chefs. Probably my favourite dish tonight. I'm going to give it the big 5.
I'm not going to put you on Leonard's level, that way you're going to be a 2. Oh! I've never tasted a homemade butter chicken that has actually tasted like butter chicken. Until tonight. You took me there. You took me places. You took you to India.
Took you on that journey, eh?
Took me on that journey. And I like the finishing destination. I'm going to have to give you a 5.
Yo! Gioza!
We got it, baby! We in! Woo! Anyway, it was a good night overall. All I can say is, Auntie Pam, you done the job.
Thank you for watching the Mahi Dogs. Subscribe and follow us on all our social media, and we'll see you in the next video.
Let's go!
I'm gonna have one more. This is nice.
That's why you limit it. You limit it.
That's why I picked this challenge. Not a joke.